Welcome in, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all safe, healthy, and happy. Today, we're planting peppers inside. Let's get to it. All right, so if you saw my last video, I planted tomatoes. I had 9 different types of tomatoes. 2 plants each is what I planted. Today, I'm gonna have 4 different types of peppers. And again, I'm gonna do 2 plants each. So the plan is today, we're gonna have some flavor burst peppers, which is what I planted last year and had pretty good success with. They were really good. So we're also gonna plant some bullnose peppers, which is another sweet bell pepper. Some ancho poblanos. A little spicy, not too bad, and then some jalapenos. Now the jalapenos is what I bought in the store last year that we just used. Took out the seeds, so I'm going to try and plant those, the seeds from the store-bought jalapenos. So let's get busy. And so if you watched my last video, I got my nice little picture cases. And so we're going to start out with the jalapenos. And in these, what I'm going to do is with my tomatoes, I planted 1 in each starter. This one I'm going to plant 2, just because. No reason, no rhyme, whatever. So we are going to start out with the store-bought jalapenos. Once again, I'm going to plant 2 in each hole. And so we're starting here again. Two in each hole. Pack it down a little bit, and we're going to label them. Okay, so there's the jalapenos. Next are the flavor burst bell peppers that we planted last year. Definitely want these again. A few of them I let to go to orange, but most of them I picked green. Just we wanted peppers. So these are the flavor burst bell peppers. Once again, 2 holes in each starter. And what I'll do when I go to transplant these is I'll take them out and then I'll break them apart and plant them in the raised beds. All right, next we are planting more seeds from Burpee, the hot pepper. These are the poblano. We want a little spice this year, so it'll be good. My wife makes some awesome salsa. So with the tomatoes and the basil that we're going to plant and these poblano peppers, we should have some really good salsa. So these are the pepper seeds. Not much different than the tomato seeds if you watched my last video. All right, so there's the potatoes. And the last ones are the bull-nosed large bell peppers, sweet peppers. So these should be pretty good. We like peppers. We make a lot of stir fry, salsa, just stuff to have peppers in. You know, and if we don't use them all, then maybe I'll can them up. Sometimes these are a pain to get open. Got 2 holes, 2 seeds, in each hole. All right, folks, there you have it. Peppers and tomatoes. 1 month, hopefully, ready for the raised beds. And we'll get busy. So, hope everybody had a great week. Have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe. Hope you, your friends, and your family are all safe, healthy, and happy. Appreciate you stopping in. Please give a thumbs up, a subscribe, a follow, all that good stuff, whatever platform you're watching this on. I appreciate you. I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you very much. Once again, have a fantastic weekend and be good to each other.